Before you become a YouTuber, come closer. You need to watch this particular video.
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
And I'll be sharing with you things that you need to know before you start up your YouTube channel. The first thing on our list is knowing your niche. There are different types of niche for which you can create on YouTube. Different types of niche like lifestyle, market vlog, fitness, cooking video, gaming channel, everything that you know that you can bring on. Sewing is also another niche for which you can bring on YouTube. So know your niche. Another thing you need to know before you become a content creator or before you become a YouTuber is YouTube is not a fast or a quick scheme whereby once you start creating your content today, you are making money today.
The movie is sharp.
For me, when I was coming on YouTube streets, I thought that once I post one video, I am already making $500. I am already making $1,000, not knowing that you need to put in the work. You need to know the right audience for you to create your content or push out your content. In that way, you are getting paid. And another thing you need to know before you become a YouTuber is that you need to start posting consistently. If you have been dulling on other social media platforms, maybe you post today, they will not see you again in the next 5 months.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
My sister, you are not gonna get paid, okay? You need to build a community on YouTube, which means you need to post consistently. And for you to post consistently, you need to post value, educative, inspiring, motivating content. In that way, you are building your community and your community is going to stay with you. Another thing you need to know before you become a YouTuber is support goes a long way. If you think that coming on YouTube is just for you to post your content and you are off, my brother, my sister, you lie. You need to support others. The same way you support people on TikTok, that goes for other social media platforms. Because you cannot just post your content and you are off. You expect people to come and support you when you don't support them. So know that you need to become a supporter. If you are not a supporter, you a poster. You need to change it today. Another thing you need to know before becoming a YouTuber is your family members, your friends, and your relatives must not support you.
You go explain because no evidence.
You will post your video today and post on your WhatsApp status. They're not gonna see it. That your audience is definitely going to find you. And if you post your content and people don't support you, move on and start creating your content. Don't say, I posted today and they did not support me, hence I am not posting tomorrow.
I will tell you I am badder than you are baddest.
So if you bring out your market today and people did not buy, you say you will not come out tomorrow. You have to come out. Yes, you have to come out. So know all this before you start creating your content. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next videos. Please remember to subscribe to my channel OGOM'S series and like and follow for more.